Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. I'm Yashwant Dasar Raju. I have done Automata theory final project, which is based on travel management application by using CKY parsing algorithm. So, based on CWID, I have selected travel management application because my ID is 503333131. Because of the odd number, I have chosen this a domain, and it's a travel management application. So, as we know that travel is the very important transport is a very important aspect in every individual's life. If the person wants to travel from point A to point B, or he or she has to reach a certain destination, they must be use a certain transport. In order to book a transport, we have to do some background work, like we have to manage like how to travel, like how to go. There are different types of means of transport. Example, bus, car, train, flight, ship, anything like that. In my project, I have chosen to travel through flight, and in that, I have taken some valid sentences and invalid sentences, which is related to flight topic, like transport topic. Here we can see brief description about the travel management application by using CKY parsing mainly. Uh, mainly, I have chosen here the flights and itinerary modifications over here. So the context-free grammar for my domain is generated over here. Here is my context-free grammar. Yeah, here we come the valid sentences. Uh, I have generated 15 valid sentences and 3 invalid sentences according to my requirements. So the first valid sentences, she look at the flight deals. Everything is booking related. The flight booking related. Here are the 15 sentences and 3 invalid sentences. So later, I have converted the context-free grammar into Chomsky normal form. CNF stands for Chomsky normal form. Chomsky is the name of the specific kind of context-free grammar. And in Chomsky normal form, each production rule in grammar can only take one or two forms. Basically, it can form by following a different rules, and there are more elements like terminal, non-terminal. So we have to use it, and we have to convert our grammar to CNF. So here I have done the same thing. As I mentioned, the highlighted ones are the Chomsky normal form. So the next, yeah, here we come, the CKY tables for all valid sentences. Here are the first valid sentence. The CKY table has been generated. For every valid sentence, I have generated a CKY, and not only the valid sentence, and also I have generated CKY tables for invalid sentences also. So yeah, here the invalid sentences parsing table. And later, I have implemented the code in C++, and I have executed it to online compiler. Here's a snapshot of the code to implement CKY parsing algorithm for my flight booking information. So here are the output which I have got when I executed. Here the snapshot of the output too for the valid sentences and invalid sentences. Since directing to the coding part, which I have implemented, and I have made the code in C++. So I've used different compilers. So now I'm redirecting to that compiler, which yeah, when I run the code over here, yeah, here enter a sentence. We have to give valid sentences as input, and the output we have to get is as the sentence is valid or accepted. If this particular program and logic is implemented correctly, then we'll get the proper output. Here is the output, has the sentence accepted and valid. So here I'm going to give valid sentences as my input. The first valid sentences is she look at flight deals. Yes, the sentence accepted and valid. So I'm executing the second sentence. So each and every sentence I'm executing one by one. So he verify flight ticket. Yes, the sentence accepted and valid. And if I executed the third sentence, yes, the sentence accepted and valid. And if I executed the fourth sentence, yeah, these sentences accepted and valid. And now I'm giving my fifth valid sentence as my input. Fifth sentence, I need flight ticket. Is the sentence accepted and valid? He need, yeah, it's my sixth sentence. Is the sentence accepted and valid? On my seventh sentence, I book flight ticket. Yeah, the sentence accepted and valid. Now I'm giving the eighth sentence. She verify flight ticket. Yeah, the sentence accepted and valid. I'm giving ninth sentence. She require flight ticket. Yeah, the sentence accepted and valid. And tenth sentence as my input. She need California flight as the sentence accepted and valid. She need flight information. Yeah, she need flight information is my 11th sentence. It's also working properly. The sentence accepted and valid. And I'm gonna give 12th sentence. He verify Japan flight. Yeah, this is also working properly. My 13th sentence. She Japan. Yeah, this is also working properly. And 14th sentence. She book California flight as the sentence accepted and valid. The last sentence valid is Italy flight. Yeah, the sentence also accepted and valid. Since I've executed all 15 sentences, it is running properly and executed, and we got a correct output as the sentence is accepted and valid. So now we are going to try the invalid sentences. The first, do I need flight? No, the sentence is not accepted and valid. Second, book flight Japan. Yeah, no, the sentence is not accepted and valid. The third invalid is flight information he. No, the sentence accepted, not accepted or invalid. Hence, we checked all the invalid sentences. This is also working properly. So the 15 valid sentences or 3 valid sentences which I've generated is correct. And also I've generated the grammar for that context-free grammar, and later I converted into CNF form. And the next step, I generated the tables for every sentence, every valid and invalid sentences, and have executed the code. And I use online compiler program is to run my code. I the language I prefer is C++. So the code is executed successfully, and I have given valid inputs. It shows the correct output, and I have also given the invalid sentences as in my input is also working properly. Since uh, my project is successful, so thank you, professor, for allowing me to do this project, giving me the chance. It's a wonderful opportunity, and also I have learned more things about CKY parsing algorithm and how we have to implement in our practical things. Yeah, this is all about my project, travel management application. Thank you, professor. Have a nice day.